What's up, y'all?
What's up? Back at it.
But yeah, we're about to head to Best Buy to go get some SD cards for the GoPro so we can get some better quality videos. But yeah.
Came about that dirt pie, now I'm ballin'. And I don't need no church land, I'm living sin. Hope going to loyalty and all my friends. Cause Lord knows I got they back to the end. Know my time come around. If I say how I feel, you should really listen. It was all mine. I be all in.
Oh, somebody was getting down. Hell yeah, brother. Here you can. Don't sit down.
Alright, y'all. So, this is what we're changing. Rusted ass Panhard Bar and rear trailing arms, or some people will call it a lower control arm. Right there. Yeah. Then we got more stuff that come eventually. All this nasty rusted stuff.
See what we got here. Honestly. What do I need with that? Well, it does protect it, so of course that's what you need it for. Oh, what, dude? And it's red.
Stickers.
Nice. Those are some nice stickers. Look at that. Those are nice. Yeah, they do. Sheesh. Nice, bright cherry red. To match the sway bars, too.
And the struts are bar.
Yep.
Having a hard time.
You struggling over there, bud?
It's like that one Christmas present you're really trying to open it.
They just wrapped it super fucking good.
And
Hey, they made sure it ain't getting scratched or anything. That's good.
this is a failed unboxing.
go, dude. Hell yeah, look at that. Take a look here. Looks like this came with some good instructions here. What's the name of this? UMI Performance? UMI Performance? Oh, you don't say the whole thing as one word.
I don't know.
Say it, each individual letter. UMI.
Instructions, dude.
Look at that. That's nice,
It's like
dude.
the first thing I've ever ordered with instructions.
Well, shit.
Do not over grease. Come on, man.
Emphasis. Do not over grease. In all caps.
Okay.
No cap. All caps.
It's gonna be fun putting the exhaust through here.
Sneak peek. Foreshadowing. Hint, hint. Wink, wink. Through where, you think? Oh, you'll have to wait and see. Stay tuned for the next video. Yeah. Alright, got the first trailing arm in. Look at that. UMI Performance, baby. That is nice. Matching the sway bar. Now we just gotta get this nasty, ugly one out. Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned. Alright, and there's the other trailing arm. Thanks to UMI again. It's looking nice, man. Look at that. Sway bar. And there's the other one. Boom. It's looking nice. Next, we get this rusty POS out. Panhard Bar. Shouldn't be too difficult. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys.
They're out. Look how nasty this thing is.
Look at that. Dude, look at that Panhard bar, dude. Don't get me started on that. Look at that.
Gross.
That is ridiculous. Look at that. Look at all that rust, bro.
Look at the new one, though.
And then compared to the new. Excuse my shadow. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Looks like you got to extend it a little bit. Nice.
The purest one's the original, everything original.
This is a car that is drivable,
Right.
reliable. When I have the Jaguar engine, it just
Looks pretty damn good to me, dude. As long as those holes line up.
if you take a Jaguar.
Nice and clean.
Compact, and it's
All right.
Got
Here's the
trailing arms.
finished product. Trailing arms and Panhard Bar. Right. Bam! Look at that.
Solid as ever.
Ooh,
We need
solid.
we need to do shocks next. Listen.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Coilovers?
Coilovers? Question mark? I don't know, chat. I don't know.
New Panhard Bar. Adjustable. We tightened these. Just didn't do it on camera.
Yeah, those are nice and tight.
This should prevent the car from fishtailing as much and the wheel hop. I don't know if you guys ever seen it before, but if you look at like drag racing videos, when they take off from the line, the wheel will literally like bounce up and down. That's what gets you going like this or fishtailing. Yeah, we'll still gotta grease up all these fittings, but we'll do that off camera. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and we'll be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned for
Follow
the
me
giveaway.
on Instagram at UponAlex, and follow your boy
Yeah, follow Scruffy.
JayJayThree.
Follow Scruffy. Need a haircut at JayJayThree. You feel me? Follow me. I do follow back. You feel me? So follow.
Ooh, look at that exhaust though. Got all that red now. So yeah. Stay tuned for more. Yay!